What's happening, beautiful people? Finally got my rotating assembly in. Check it out. I went with the Summit Racing Pro LS. For those that don't know, I'm building a 383. Got the pistons in. Hold on, let me give you a close up of the piston. It's a little eye candy right there. Check that out. Um, I went with the 5cc valve relief pistons. Got instructions for the machine shop, connecting rods. It's a solid kit. Solid kit. Uh, the Pro LS was my plan A. You saying, what do you mean plan A? When I first was deciding to build a LS 383, I looked at the Summit Racing Pro LS line. At the time, they were out of stock, and so I had to go and look elsewhere. What I did was I went and looked at another retailer that I used to build the 383 that's in the custom Suburban. But they had raised the price $500 to $600 more than what I paid the first time when I built that 383. Now I was willing to pay that $500 to $600 more at the time, but when I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger, they had jacked the price up another $600. Now I was willing to swallow the $600 increase from the first time I bought the 383 kit, but raising the price another $600, I can't do that. I can't do that. I understand supporting small businesses and things of that nature, and I do support small businesses, but everyone has a break point, and I wasn't willing to spend an extra 11 to $1,200 more. So then, like I said, I went back with my plan A. I checked Summer Racing again. Lo and behold, they had their Pro LS uh, kit back in stock. I checked it out, did my research on it, and hey, I roll with it. And here's the thing, I got it for the price. I'll go ahead and tell you, I got it for like $2,600. You can't beat that for a full rotating assembly, pistons, rods, valve springs, locks, wrist pins. I made the whole thing to go ahead and uh, put the engine together. Now I got instructions here, and I'll post it. Got the instructions here of what I want the machine shop, what I want them to do to the block and to the rotating assembly. As far as the block goes, since I'm going with the 383, going to have to bore the cylinders out a little bit larger. Then on the rotating assembly, got to have it balanced. Now, if you're building the engine and you're doing a similar build, I would strongly recommend that you have the rotating assembly balanced. You just don't want to have bad harmonics or any uh, serious vibrations that would can cause premature wear on the engine, and it just becomes a total waste. But check it out, check it out, check it out. Oh man, check that out. I'll give you a close up. Look nice, don't it? Look nice. Like I said, beautiful people, I'm gonna get this and the block to the machine shop, and hopefully they don't take too long getting this worked out for me, because I am excited to go ahead and drop this LS engine into the Fleetwood Cadillac. All right, beautiful people. I'll catch you on the next.